Shower in style with the Scudo S8 brushed brass Wetroom panel. This sleek and sophisticated Wetroom panel features a stunning brushed brass profile that adds a touch of luxury to any space. With its 8mm toughened safety glass and 2000mm height, you'll experience unparalleled protection and a sense of openness. Whether you prefer a shower tray or a tiled Wetroom floor, the Scudo S8 can be installed effortlessly to fit your needs. Plus, it has a convenient 1-meter support arm included for added stability and peace of mind. Are you looking to customize your shower space? No worries. This Scudo S8 brushed brass shower screen can be fitted alone for a minimalist look or paired with a side panel for extra functionality. Upgrade your bathroom experience with the Scudo S8 brushed brass Wetroom, where style meets practicality in the most delightful way possible. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo shower enclosure range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.